Well, Chris, we bulldozed our way to the road. The Terrier doesn't seem at all interested in doing her business. Here she is. We haven't seen a snow like this, honey, in a long time. Here's our street, Tony's house. I don't think the roads are plowed. It doesn't seem to be quite as deep as the driveway. I don't know. Look at this on the drive, it's up to my knees almost. Should have seen me trying to pull Terrier through this. Still doesn't want to go to the bathroom though, and I can't take her for a long walk.